SEC versus Ripple is done. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to see this finally over with. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys think that there's going to be anything else from this? I don't think so because these guys are, and here I'll show you guys actually the paperwork here. So they have filed a joint dismissal of the appeals. So the case is over. So they're basically accepting the terms of what Judge Torres has laid out, the penalties, etc. They're saying, okay, you know what, we're not going to appeal any of this anymore. We're taking our stuff, we're packing our stuff up, and we're going home. And both parties are happy with this. That's why they're both, it's a joint motion, right? So what's going on from there? Let's take a look at some price action and take a look at some predictions. So yesterday, obviously, when this information had come out, I opened up a long and below thing because I'm like, wow, this is going to go crazy. And I was right. I made like about a 60 some percent on that trade. Absolutely crushed it using about 20x leverage. I'm not suggesting anybody else do that whatsoever, but I knew what I was doing. I'm like, I know that this is going to go absolutely crazy. Opened it up about an hour later. I had a very, very nice return. So it was nice. Closed it out, took my profits. XRP futures trading volume had spiked over 200% in the past 24 hours to about 12.4 billion. And just for reference, Solana was about 9.6 billion, and Solana has a ton of volume, right? Open interest shows the value of unsettled future contracts climbed about 15% to about $5 billion. So when we're looking at that, we're looking at, futures trading. Most traders were taking long positions and they were anticipating that the price was going to go up. When you open a long, it means you're betting on the price to go up, right? Now, XRP's cost basis distribution data shows that the about $2.80 to $2.82 range holds the largest cluster of supply with over 1.7 billion tokens acquired at those prices. So what does that really mean for us? Why would we care about that information? Well, it means that that could act as a key support level if we see a pullback. If we see a retracement, a little bit of a correction, we could see that act as support. Now, that's a really good thing, right? So XRP price technicals right now are hinting at about a 35% gain. We're seeing a bull flag pattern on the chart. I'm just going to make that a little bigger for you guys so you can see that. So that bull flag pattern is characterized by these two lines, and the price action is obviously in the middle. And we broke out above the upper trend line. And so when the price broke out above the upper trend line on the bull flag chart, and the volume rose alongside with it. So that is basically confirming the breakout, because sometimes we're always worried, is this going to be a fake out? Is the price breakout going to be backed by enough volume to keep it going? Right. So that's what we're looking at. And to measure a bull flag's upside target, you add the height of the previous uptrend to the breakout point. So if we take that into consideration, the points to a target above about $4.50, about 35% higher than levels right now. Now, a potential Federal Reserve rate cut could also add fuel to that fire, and could potentially even go beyond that. So taking a look at the chart here, this is my indicator CF algo. So if you're interested, I'm actually going to, one second here. I'm going to pull up a QR code for you guys. You can go over there, scan that code if you wish, or visit cfalgo.com. And what my trading indicator does is it runs in the TradingView platform. So TradingView has a number of charts for stocks, crypto, Forex, commodities, you name it. And my indicator will run on all TradingView charts. It will help you determine or tell you when basically the right time to buy and sell could be, right? So taking a look at this signal back here that we got July 25th, run up here, we got about 54% on that trade. We can also use it for shorting. So you want to short the market right here. We got 11, 12%, and running up here just previously during this run, we got another 12% going on right there. So very, very useful tool. What it does is you set up alerts, and it'll tell TradingView when this buy or sell signal occurs in the chart, and you can go on and make your trades. You don't have to sit here and watch the charts all the time and learn how to read chart patterns and all that stuff. It just gives you nice, easy to read signals. It takes into a ton of technical indicators and puts them all into kind of one easy to read signal. So it's a very, very useful tool. I use it every day. I use it all the time. I have alerts set up over here We can see, some of them fire, some of them I've got like Pendle going on, HBAR, XRP, FET. I do have some XLM as well that I've been trading, and there's just a number of really great cryptos out there that have a ton of the, really good trading movement. So, trading on this thing is definitely something that I've been doing quite frequently. Like we can see here, even on the 5 minute, this was one I was looking at because when I'm usually doing like futures trading, I'm usually looking like the 5 minute chart. So, you know, take a look here. I mean, that's a quick 3% move down. If you're using any kind of leverage, which I don't, I don't recommend to do so. I'm just telling you guys how I trade. That's a significant move. So yeah, head over there, use my coupon code at checkout intro 10, and that will give you significant discount on the cost of the indicator for the life of your subscription, right? It's not just a one-time thing. It is that discount will be on there until you decide to quit. And it also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, you're not losing anything. Just ask for a refund, no questions asked, and we'll certainly help you out with that. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys today. Really nice to see that XRP is having a bit easier time now. Have that that big clouds lifted off of us. It's the SEC has finally come to light. It's under a ton of new ideas and new management, that sort of thing. We're no more Gary Gensler, so it's definitely been nice to see the change in government there in terms of recognizing crypto and understanding how it works. And I think that's the biggest thing, is they had to kind of understand it, right, to accept it. And now that they see where this is going, it's inevitable. Adoption is inevitable. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate each and every one of you. Check out cfalgo.com, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.